afternoon, welcome to Wednesday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We got a Canadian Challenger inbound. Thank you all for being here. The fog is beginning to lift finally. Got a couple neat aircraft coming in. Looking forward to getting those for you. The guy over here blowing leaves, and that's the noise you're hearing in the background. Got a United Airlines 737-900, flight 733. They just said they had a maintenance issue. They're going to hang out over here on the field until they figure out what's going on. 737-900. Got a hawk that looks like flying around. I don't think it's one of the owls. I think it's a hawk. USA Jet 832 MD-80 inbound from Ypsilanti. Another mad dog on the field. We've had a lot of them the last few days. This one is wearing the red, white, and blue livery for USA Jet. Should be leaving here in a couple of hours. We'll hang around and we'll try to get it leaving. Alaska 445 inbound from Seattle. Southwest 2466 Max 8 heading to BWI. Frontier Airlines 2280 A320 Neo heading to Orlando. Came over here because a Aeronavis DC-9 and the USA Jet MD-80 is supposed to depart. I missed the DC-9 though, it left early. Literally as soon as I drove past the end of the runway, it was departing. United 1745 heading to Houston. Looks like there's a fire in the background. You can see it looks like the smoke.
53, turn right, heading 320.
Got another United flight that just came in. We were supposed to get another brand new A321 Neo for United today, but I saw that flight canceled. It was rescheduled for tomorrow, so maybe we'll come up and get it tomorrow. See what the weather does. Let's see how work goes too. Cincinnati is getting the Alaska Star Wars livery today. That thing keeps avoiding me. Hopefully we get it here at some point. Alaska 330, or sorry, 445 heading to Pittsburgh. So we got Delta connection. E175 departing here at 24 left. Frontier Airlines Flight 206, A320neo heading to Las Vegas. Still waiting on the USA Jet MD-80. It's about 10 minutes late now. There's also a Delta 757 coming in. I'm going to try to get to the other side to get that coming in, but I want to get the Mad Dog leaving. Sky the Blue Jay on the 320neo. So we got a United 737 departing. There's another one inbound. Coming in here on runway 24 right is United Airlines Flight 2256, touching down from Tampa. And this is a United Airlines 737 MAX 9. They're back in service. It's one of the first ones we've seen. Spirit. Take a look at our United Airlines MAX 9. These went back into service on Sunday. We've had a couple since then. It's the first one I've been able to catch so far. Back in service after the Alaska Airlines Max lost the left side plug. Glad to see they went back in service earlier than what was expected. I think that reading the FAA investigation, NTSB investigation, it almost seemed like it might be a long grounding. But glad to see that it's just a matter of checking the bolts, making sure things are good, and getting them back in service. The FAA did cap Boeing at 30 aircraft a month while they do the investigations within the Spirit Aerospace facility as well as the Boeing plant, just to make sure that they're trying to get all the quality lapses taken care of. So the CEO of United flew to France. Suppose I got to discuss potentially getting more A321neos for out of Airbus. I wonder if they'll look at the A350 deal that's been getting pushed back the last several years. What if United actually does end up taking delivery on those? We'll have to wait and see. Ryanair stepped in and said they'll take any Max 10 that's canceled, so I guess we'll see what happens. Also, Boeing withdrew their exemption for the de-icing issue on the Max 7. So they're going to try to work that out with an engineering solution, so sounds like further delays for the Max 7. United Express 3421 heading to Newark. I'm keeping an eye on the airport. There is a...
You can hold northeast to Ebus at 4,000. Either left or right turns up to you, and you could about, let's do 15-mile leg.
There's a Challenger going into CGF that, I don't know, they declared an emergency or what's going on, because they're talking about holding and talking to the tower. I wonder if that might come in here. They went out of Phoenix. Try to listen to the tower to see what's going on. I would imagine if it's an emergency, they'll probably bring it here since there's more equipment here. Wait and see. United Airlines Max 9 heading to Chicago. They decided to switch sides because the USA jet was taking so long to get out of here, and I want to get a couple things that are coming in. So USA jet 832 heading to Saltillo, MD-80. I don't think it's going to take off though.
USA 832, left turn left, left 2 exit 2 waiting at front 2 jet, and you can monitor the off
Like they're going back over to South Cargo, baby.
1673, that's perfect. Thanks, man.
Yeah, definitely where they're going. Well, good thing I didn't stay over there. Then we got a Sherwin-Williams Falcon inbound. United Airlines, I think it was flight 1632, I believe is what it was. 737-900 heading out. I'm playing with the settings of my camera, trying to dial it in a little bit better for night. From what I can tell looking at the monitor, it looks pretty good. We'll have to see what it looks like when we get it on the computer. Delta Airlines 8840, 757 inbound from Boston. Southwest pushing back. Stream. Frontier. Delta Airlines 2759 heading to Atlanta. We got a Hawker inbound from Teterboro, one of the SkyQuest aircraft. United Airlines 544 inbound from Houston. Still playing with the settings a little bit. This looks like it's a little bit too dark, but really that's about what it looks like to the eye out here. It's pretty dark. Trying to play with it a little bit. We'll get it. I don't have any doubts. We'll get it. Frontier 3010 inbound from Tampa. United Express 6063 inbound from Dulles. United Airlines 354 Max 8 inbound from Newark. All right, we got a heavy jet inbound, FedEx 356, 767 inbound from Memphis. Well, it definitely took some work, but I think we're heading in the right direction. Got a couple of trips coming up. Looking to go to Houston here in March or April. My birthday is next week, and I'm trying to convince my wife to go somewhere. She wants to go to Louisville and get some candy at the Rebecca Ruth chocolate place down there, which is really, really good. So we almost are talking about maybe going for a weekend. If we did that, then we will definitely go to Louisville, Muhammad Ali, and get some UPS. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Still looking at Dulles later on, Airliners International. We got a bunch of things coming up later on this year. Plus we want to go back to Orlando and get the Frozen plane. All right, that will do it for today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. I'm not sure what's going on with the USA jet. I don't know if that's going to leave tonight or if they're going to be delayed until tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. So we're going to head on home, get some dinner, and get ready to work again tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, comment down below, share with all of your friends. We may be up here again tomorrow to get the brand new A321neo. We'll just kind of wait and see how things go. But we'll definitely be up here the next couple of days to do some spotting, do some this weekend too, hopefully. So stay tuned for that. Hope you have a great day. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate everyone's support. I hope you enjoyed the Challenger montages that I did for that. There's also a Columbia one, if you haven't checked that I did last year, thinking about the astronauts that we lost due to the unfortunate tragedies. But I really appreciate everyone's support. Thank you for being here, and we'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great night, everybody.